Okay, so it's that time of year again, Black Friday, and we've got some huge sales on. In fact, one of our biggest ever sales at MyMoto Manchester. And I'm going to show you through some of the kit we've got. First of all, in the sale, we've got the Dainese Sportiva jackets. So we've got that in two colorways in the sale. We've got the red and white with black, we've got the black, and we've got the white and black. And look at the prices we're charging for that. It's a fantastic price. Racing 4 jackets, so Dainese Racing 4. Look at the price we've got on that. Only 34995. And then we've got this one in the black and red. So these are the Laguna Seca suits. We've got the white and black, and we've got the black and red. Now only 79999. And then we've got these really special ones. So these are actually a Dainese custom work suit. Handmade in Italy to order, which is why it says Dainese Manchester on them. And also it comes with the Custom Works logo on the leg, all stitched in. So these were 152995 and they are now just 79999. Absolute bargain. We've got loads and loads of retro Dainese jackets. So here we've got the Merrick, if you can see that. We've got the Razan too. So we've got that one. And we've got that in brown as well. So look at that. So all of these in the sale. We've also still got our sale rails. So each of these rails that we've got in the store is all sale kit. So all sale. I mean, look at the price of this. The old Track Tech suits, 29999. Airbag suits, 49999 for a Pro Series airbag suit. As we come down here, we've got the York trainers, now only 99.95, and then we've also got the same but waterproof version, and that's 11495. Quite a few other boots in the sale, some TCX. We've got the RST high tops, so now 64.99. Some of the kind of retro stuff, and then the main one, the big one, we've got the Dainese Axials D1s. So you can see there, now only 39999 for the Axial boot. So that's this is the Air boot, so D1 Air boot. And then we have the Gore-Tex version, so the waterproof version. Gore-Tex. So as we head up here, we can see again another sale rail. This is all ladies sale. All of that is ladies kit. We've also got some of the airbag stuff back here. So you've got your airbag vests. This is the long sleeve version of it, the airbag vest that Dainese do, and this comes with shoulder armour and elbow armour in it. We've also got the DR jackets. Massive savings on them. Look at that, 169995 full price, 89995 in the sale. So a really, really good price on that. We've got the ladies roaster leather jackets there in the sale. We've got some of the Dainese pants in the sale for the ladies. So plenty of ladies kit in the sale. AGV AX9s, so we've got loads of them in the sale. We've got K1s, and not just a K1, K1S is already in sale. 12599. Plenty of good deals to be had. One of the best helmets for the price. Look at these K6s, 249999 for a K6. Absolute bargain. We've got the K1s, so the original K1s, look at that, 17999, now only 99.99. And then, as we come over here, we've got some of the Arais in the sale. We've got the RX7s and Quantics that are all in sale as well. So we've got quite a few good deals. Robotic design in the sale, 39999. We've got the Johnny Ray version of the RX7, 54999. We've also got some of the old Tour X4s, a couple of the old Commanders, and we've got loads of bells in the sale as well. So look at these race stars. Carbon fibre helmet was 64999, now 45499. Just unbelievable deals. Loads of denim in the sale. So Dainese, look at these, the Dainese reinforced safety jeans. Was 179.95, now 99.99 for Dainese bike jeans. More ladies kit in the sale, so that's the F-Light jacket. And then as we come down here, we've got some of the newer items that have gone into the sale. So this has literally just gone into sale. RST's S1 one-piece leather suit was 449.99, now 299.99, and we've got that in orange, red, and blue is in the sale. We've got a good size selection. The only ones that are not in the sale in this color, in this suit, is the black and white, and the green are not in the sale. Only the orange, the red, and the blue, and that's the same with the jackets. So blue and red in the sale was 249.99, now 169.99. Maverick Evo set, these were brand new out not long ago, and they've gone into the sale. It's that colour, the green has gone into the sale. The black is staying, so that hasn't. Endurance jacket in the grey with the fluoro, that's gone into the sale, so that's was 199.99, now 129.99. And then this whole section, all of this is sale. All of that. In fact, that rail, that rail, that rail, that rail, and that rail are all sale stuff. So if you can spare a moment, come down and see us, have a look at the things we've got. And if you can't, come and see us. If you live too far away, then go to our website, which is dstarmanchester.co.uk, and then just have a look through some of our discounted items on there. That's pretty much everything for today. So hopefully you have a look, buy some of our kit. Until next time, ride safe.